all, this is Ruth from Tiju's Academy, and today I am here with a video on common phrasal verbs that we can use in medical context. And now you must be wondering how we can use common phrasal verbs in order to impress the examiner. So today we are going to see that. Now let's move on to the video. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and an adverb or preposition which together has a particular meaning. So now let's see what all are the common phrasal verbs and how we can use them while speaking. So first we will start with apply for, which means make a request. Example, you will need to apply for some time off from work in order to recover from your condition. So next common phrasal verb is break through, force through a barrier. Despite the medication, he was suffering from breakthrough pain. Next one is carry out, which means perform. We need to carry out an examination before you can be admitted. Count on and end up. Count on means rely on or dependent on. You can count on at the best treatment in this hospital. End up means eventually reaching to an end point. Example, if you follow the right regimen and measures, you will end up in the right place. So today we discussed about 6 common phrasal verbs which will help us to have an impressive conversation. And there are a lot more common phrasal verbs out there and we will update you with that in the upcoming days.